Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Sagittarius fire sign, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So Sagittarius, let's see your messages. Hierophant, Seven of Wands, Six of Cups. I think someone is coming back for reconciliation, Sagittarius. I think they want to offer commitment to you. Yes. Six of Cups with Hierophant, definitely reconciliation. I think someone want to approach you for reconciliation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. Definitely there is some commitment, marriage proposals also. So Six of Cups, you both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. And Seven of Wands, definitely I think for some you are very defensive when your person coming back, but for some you also want this connection, and you don't want to give up on this connection. Okay, for some your person don't want to give up on this connection if you say no. Okay, so take what resonate and leave the rest, but someone is coming back for reconciliation, commitment. They want to offer commitment to you. So let's see some more. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Seven of Swords. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, I think you are in separation right now. For some, you are in no contact situation. That's why your person coming back for reconciliation. But I think for some, I already told you in starting that you are defensive. Definitely you are defensive because this person is sneaky. Yeah, they're playing games with you. I think you don't want to trust this person again. Yeah, you don't have trust. You don't trust this person, definitely, because some past issues. They are in and out your life, and they never committed to you. That's why you have some trust issues also. Definitely you don't want to trust this person. That's why you're acting like defense. After this person is coming back to you for reconciliation, yes, you are defensive. And Seven of Pentacles, I think he invested in this connection a lot. Still you are very defensive because this person is sneaky. Seven of Swords, they maybe lied to you, cheated on you. Definitely maybe they put you in third party in past. Definitely there are some issues with your person, especially trust issues. And Five of Pentacles, definitely your person not treated you well in past, and they don't available to you when you want them. Five of Pentacles, cold showering. And yes, you are in separation still for some. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Eight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, I think one person is stuck in this connection right now, in this energy. It could be your person. I think your person maybe, but I think you are very grounded, Sagittarius. It could be you. I think you may be concentrating on your career, on your financial issues. Definitely you are concentrating on your money right now. Yeah, but your person may be juggling between things. Two of Pentacles, one person in this connection is juggling right now. They are stuck. Literally they are stuck. Eight of Swords, they are stuck on you, Sagittarius. Let's see some more messages. Ace of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, the Fool. Yeah, they want new beginnings. They want to take leap of faith with you, and they want to work on this relationship, and they want partnership with you because Three of Pentacles is partnership. I think you both know each other, and you both could be colleagues also, definitely, because Three of Pentacles is partnership. Yeah, they want to offer this long-term commitment. They are coming back for reconciliation. They want new beginnings with you, Sagittarius. So it's up to you to accept this new beginning or not. But I think this person is sneaky. Definitely you don't trust this person. You have some trust issues, I'm getting. So definitely they are coming back reconciliation. It's up to you to give second chance or not, depending upon your situation. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So your person current feelings towards you. Two of Cups. Wow. King of Wands. Knight of Wands. Sorry. Queen of Wands. I think they are very, very passionate about you. There is a lot of attraction between both of you. I think your person also strong person. They're stubborn also. But still they love you. There is love between both of you. I think for some there is third party also. Your person want both. You and another woman also. That is the issue. That's why they are juggling. Or they may be juggling between you and their career. Definitely Two of Cups. I think you both could be twin flames and soulmates also. But Knight of Wands, yeah, they are rushing towards you. They want to come towards you. There is a lot of passion. And they think about you. You stand by your power. It is your card, Sagittarius. Yeah, their feelings towards you. Definitely you stand by your power this time. Yeah. Definitely, I think you are concentrating on your career and goals this time. You already move on this energy, this separation energy. Let's see the near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Your person near future actions towards you. King of Pentacles. Queen of Cups. Magician. Yeah, I think your person may be manipulator, because Seven of Swords with Magician sometimes treated as manipulator. Yeah, your person want to offer long-term commitment. They have strong emotions for you with King of Pentacles with Queen of Cups. Yeah, they have emotions for you. They are coming back with solid offer, Sagittarius. It's up to you to accept this offer or not. Yeah, they want to express their emotions. Yeah, they want to offer long-term commitment this time. Yeah, they're manifesting you back. The Magician energy, they are manifesting you. They are trying to reconcile with you, but you don't want to trust this person again due to past issues, due to trust issues. I'm getting, but you stand by your power. You are doing your work. That is very good, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. So your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Lot of cards. I'm not taking. Ten of Pentacles. Five of Cups. Definitely both are in separation. High Priestess. Ten of Pentacles 2 times. Wow. I think stability is coming in this connection after the separation. I think one person, I think your person may be listening to their higher self this time. In past, they may not be realize your worth, but now they're realizing your worth. They're listening to their higher self, Sagittarius. Yeah. After the separation, they are feeling very, very sad. They want to offer stability to Ten of Pentacles. Definitely stability is coming. I think for some, you also giving second chance to this person. Definitely this connection is going to be stabilized in near future. For some, if it is third party, please take decision wisely. And High Priestess, definitely I think Sagittarius, you are also listening to your higher self this time. Yeah. Right now this separation, but for some definitely reconciliation will happen and stability is coming in your connection. Okay, but for some you have trust issues regarding your person. So let's see Sagittarius, your overall energy for the week. Justice, 8 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands and 5 of Wands. Definitely your person is fighting for your attention and you want success in. Definitely for some you are concentrating on your career, you will get success there. Yes, 8 of Pentacles, you are concentrating on your career. Justice, yeah, you cut your person off, they will back for second chance. Justice, your person could be Libra also. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Definitely they will ask second chance. They are coming back for reconciliation. If you are in separation, Sagittarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. 4 of Swords, 10 of Wands, 2 of Swords, 3 of Wands. They are waiting for the right time to come towards you, and 2 of Swords, still they are juggling. They are at some crossroads. They have to make decision. 10 of Wands, yeah, they are very, very overburdened right now due to the relationship or some other reason like their career, whatever. 4 of Swords, right now they are not talking to you. For some there is separation also. Your person may be undergoing some healing process, some awakening. After that they will come towards you. This time they are listening to the higher self. Definitely they have strong emotions for you. They are coming back for reconciliation, but it will take time because they are in this state, Sagittarius. So you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Thank you so much for supporting and watching my videos. Bye.